Is the cost of starting a garden worth it? Well, here's what I think. If you're going to pay an organic price at a market anyway, you might as well pay to start your own vegetable garden. If you're going to pay for the gas to go buy something at a supermarket, you might as well pay for the water to grow your own garden in your home. The convenience versus distance from going one place to the next, unless you're in walking distance from a store, is definitely better to be able to pick your own vegetables in your own backyard. Not only that, but the taste is exquisite when you grow your own vegetables. Not only because you grew them, but because it's using a lot more natural ingredients and natural nutrition from the soil or the ground in your area. And very importantly, you control what goes in your garden. You control the compost, you control the nutrition, you control all of the aspects of what you grow to eat. One downfall perhaps is managing. You don't have to manage any of the vegetables that you can purchase at a store, but you have to manage your vegetables when you're in your own garden. But again, the ability to subsidize part of your cost in growing your own food is definitely worth it. And you don't have to start huge. You can start with just a couple buckets to get used to growing anything or something. And then you can start with the small garden bed, maybe a raised box, whatever works for you. It's definitely worth it to start growing a garden.